the last part, the last content of this novel. And you know what's the title of the novel? The title of the novel is The Financial Expert, and that has been retained one of the most renowned picture of Indo-Anglican literature. Do you know what is Indo-Anglian literature? Anglo-Andean literature, I've introduced this term in the very first part of this novel. The person, the writer who belongs to India, write in English language about Indian cultures and emotions are known as Indo-Anglian writers and the poets. R.K. Narayanan, Mulkraj Anand and Raja Rao and others one are the prominent figures of this kinds of the literature. We introduce the characters, the different characters of this novel in the very first part of this novel. Margya, his wife Meenakshi, his son Balu, and the secretary Dr. Pal, journalist, and Madan Lal, who helped him to publish the book that is based on sexology, and the title of that book is what? Domestic Harmony, and that made him a wealthiest person in Malgudi. How Margya rise from an ordinary person to such a financial expertise in case of finance. Okay, but one thing that I just want to say you, how to just his journey to become a millionaire, his journey from an ordinary person of Malgudi to a renowned financier, how he just what he faced during this journey. Once time when the secretary stopped him, when the secretary of that bank, Central Cooperative Bank, threatened him to leave that banyan tree as he was engaged in unfair way to help the people to provide them loan. After that he became so upset. He had no money to his livelihood. He went nearby an astrologer, and astrologer suggested him to do the worship of goddess wealth, the goddess of wealth, Ma Lakshmi, with the ash of the red lotus flower and the ghee that was made by the milk of the grey cow. You should offer all these things to Goddess Lakshmi. After that, Goddess Lakshmi became so happy and make you a wealthier person. This one is the suggestion given by astrologer, and he followed these rituals for 40 days. In spite of this, he did not get success, and during this time he met to Dr. Pal, and Margya met to Dr. Pal, and how Mr. Pal persuaded him to help him to publish his book that is based on sexology, based on pornography, based on bedtime affairs and relationships. In spite of this, this book gained a huge popularity and name and fame. And in return, Margya having a lot of money, but during that time, how his son Balu became spoiled, and how he did not get success to qualify his SLC examination. And when his father scolded him, when Margya scolded him, he left his home by throwing his certificate into the gutter. And how Balu just left that place and he went to the Madras, and from there a news one day came that shocked each and every one of Malgudi that Balu is no more. And how Margya just went to the Madras to trace out his son, and during this trace out process, who helped him? A police inspector to whom he used to make in train. And after that, Margya fetched Balu to his native town Malgudi. Till here we got the explanations in first two videos. Now today's I just start right from here. What did Balu and Margya did after come back to Malgudi? When Balu come back to Malgudi, Malgudi is a place, a town, an imaginative town that has been created by R.K. Narayanan, and this novel setting is based on Malgudi. When Balu came back to Madras, after that जो Madras आते हैं, then Margya, his father, the prominent character of this novel, he has been decided what he has been decided. He has been decided that Balu should be married, कि बालू को अब शादी कर लेनी चाहिए. After that he became responsible. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Responsible. So he went nearby the astrologer with taking a horoscope of a girl, and the name of that girl is Brinda. That means who is the future wife? The wife of Balu? Brinda. The name of that girl is Brinda. Brinda is Balu's wife. Balu's wife, Brinda. Okay? And when Margia, just try to understand, when Margia went nearby, whom? Went nearby astrologer. Take the horoscope of Brinda. That astrologer said that the horoscope of Balu and Brinda has not been matched. That time Margia became angry and he dismissed that. He just refused his astrology, just paying 1 rupee. Okay? Just you think, the very first astrologer who just did the prediction that their horoscope did not match, in anger, in return, Margia paid him only 1 rupee. But with the help of Mr. Paul, they got success to find out, to trace out a fake astrologer, that due to the power of money of 75 rupees, what he declared, what he said, that horoscope were 100% matched, and after that they both get married. Who? Balu and Brinda. Balu, who had already been a spoiled child, a spoiled person, he decided to live with his wife alone in another mansion, in another house. Margia ready for this? But being a father, Margia never wanted that his son Balu engaged with, having any contact with Mr. Paul. Because it's true that, ये सही था कि Mr. Paul ने Margia की काफ़ी मदद की थी. Margia जो एक मिलेनियर था, एक इतने सक्सेसफुल फाइनेंशियल था, वो ड्यू टू द हेल्प ऑफ मिस्टर पॉल, वो मिस्टर पॉल की हेल्प के कारण. बट मार्गिया ऐसा सोचता था, जो व्यक्ति सेक्सोलॉजी पे, पोर्नोग्राफी पे बुक्स लिख सकता है, वो इमोरल है, और ऐसे इमोरल लोगों के साथ मेरे बेटे का रहना सही नहीं है. सो ही ऑलवेज ट्राइंग दैट, he just wanted that Balu avoided the company of Mr. Paul. But what happened when Balu started to live with his wife and somewhere he started to make a contact with Mr. Paul. He started to engage in extramarital affair. One day Margia went near his son to meet. But that time, unfortunately, son was not there. But Brinda was there. And she started to shed her tears. She outburst with her tears. She started to say all her pain and suffering, all the torture that she faced due to the changing behavior of Balu. And she said to her father-in-law, Margia, that how her husband Balu now engaged in extramarital affair. And who persuaded him to do all these things? That person is nobody else, but that person is Mr. Paul. Now, Margia realized that how he committed a mistake to shake hands with Mr. Paul. अब मारिया को रियलाइज होता है उसने कितनी बड़ी गलती की मिस्टर पॉल के साथ संबंध रखने में. At the same time, a car came on his door, and that car having Mr. Paul, his son Balu, and some other women who engaged with in such kinds of the affairs. Margia started to scold Mr. Paul for spoiling his son Balu. Okay? वो गुस्सा करना शुरू किया मिस्टर पॉल पे. तुम मेरे बेटे बालू को बिगाड़ रहे हो. Why are you spoiling my child? Why are you spoiling his life? What did you get in return? Mr. Paul became angry and he spread a rumor at the bankruptcy of Margia in the market. उसने क्या र्यूमर फैला दिया मार्केट में मारिया के अगेंस्ट में कि मारिया बैंकरप्ट हो चुका है, दिवालिया उसका निकल चुका है। तो जितने भी डिपॉजिटर्स थे, जितने भी एलीट पर्सन जो अपने डिपॉजिट्स को वहाँ मॉर्गेज किए हुए थे, दे केम नियर बाय मारिया एंड दे स्टार्टेड टू डिमांड देयर डिपॉजिट्स, बट Maria tried to provide them everything, but ultimately he became failed. His house, his properties, his all deposits went away, and he found himself in totally helpless condition. During this situation, his brother, his wife, and even his spoiled son Balu helped him. And at the end of the novel, we come to know again how Maria suggested his son Balu to again start his business nearby banyan tree. Under that banyan tree, from there he started his journey. Balu first he refused to do this, as according to him this one is hampered his status, but soon after, due to the compulsion of livelihood, he agreed to work with his father Maria under that banyan tree. So, my dear learners, my dear students, I think you should understand the rise and the fall of Maria, how he is a man having a lust of money, but he is not wicked, he is not immoral, he is a good father who always tried to give a good shape of his son, but in order to make more and more money, he never cared his son. He just provided him comfort and luxury, and that's spoiled his son Balu. So R.K. Narayan, through this novel, give a very meaningful message to all of us. We should not be mingled, we should not be involved in unfair means to make money. Money is not everything. It is just a source of our livelihood. It is not our life. So I hope you should understand this. In next class, we go through the question answers of this novel, detailed question answer with the character sketch of this novel. If you have any problem, you should mention in your comment box and try to share it more and more for the benefit of other students and other learners. Thank you very much for watching it.